Douglas Cooling and Heating, serving the Birmingham area for 38 years. 988-3706. That's Douglas.
I'm James Spann. This is the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Monday, the 16th of May, more like early March with this upper low right overhead. Very cool for this time of the year. In fact, we might set some new record low maximum temperatures today for the Deep South. We'll check some of the sky cam shots this morning, and look at that little sign of daylight there coming from the Tuscaloosa sky cam. Temperatures are mostly in the cool 50s this morning. Up the road in Fayette, view of the sky there. And again, you got some breaks in the cloud cover, but today, like yesterday, will feature a lot of clouds around today. And way down south, that's the Alabama Gulf Coast, as seen from the Skycam at the Phoenix All Suites, overlooking the public beach. All right, there's that deep upper low coming right on top of us this morning. And again, inevitably, we'll see a lot of clouds around today and maybe some scattered light rain. And cool temperatures are in the 50s this morning, ranging from 50 at Haleyville to 55 at Anniston and Alexander City. And by golly, they won't climb very much today. The high will be around 60, and that's over 20 degrees below average. We should be in the low 80s this time of the year. And on the radar, you can see a few little patches of light rain scattered about, mainly on the eastern side of the state. We'll mention that mainly this morning. Just some light rain or drizzle in scattered spots, nothing really significant. And around the nation, I'm telling you what, it's just hard to find any warm weather. Temperatures are in the 30s across a large part of the northern states. Very cool for the middle part of May. No doubt about that, considering the fact that June is just right around the corner. And, of course, with a cool, stable air mass, no severe weather problems for a while. Got a handful of issues, a couple of flood watches up in the northeast, some wind advisories and winter storm watches for the mountains out west, and that's about it. And rain for the next 5 days. Not much. This is valid through Friday evening at 7 o'clock, and this shows just a trace, and that would be whatever comes down this morning with the upper low, and after today, the weather should be dry for a while. We'll check the OZGFS at 1 o'clock this afternoon. The core of the coldest air aloft by then should be over Georgia. So, again, in terms of the light rain, we think the better chance will probably be this morning. And again, down below that, it's just going to be a cloudy, cool, kind of drizzly day today. And again, we figure most spots over the northern half of the state today will not get above 60, and that's pretty amazing for this time of the year. Tomorrow, we think the sky will become clear, and if we do clear out, we should be in the 40s tomorrow morning. The GFS is showing 45, the NAM 46. And a partly sunny sky tomorrow in the wake of the departing low. Now, let me say this. Our friends up in northeast Alabama, Gadsden, Fort Payne, Scottsboro, might stay in the clouds much of the day with that thing so close. And the high should be in the mid to upper 60s if the sun breaks out. Wednesday, and again, you know, the wraparound clouds not that far away. But I think for most of the state we'll be in sunshine with temperatures in the upper 60s and low 70s. But again, northeast Alabama could still see clouds on Wednesdays. The whole pattern is blocked up. Thursday should be a brighter day statewide, sunny with a nice warm-up. We should be pushing 80 by then, if that's right. And then Friday, we've got this ridge in place and a big upper low out west. We've still got that blocked up pattern, one upper low over the northeast, one out west, ridging here. So Friday should be a dry day. And again, we go up in the 80s. It will finally feel like May again. Now, for the weekend, a lot of folks have plans. And, you know, at some point, we had looked at a chance of rain on Saturday. But by golly, the chance of rain now looks pretty small as the ridge holds. If this is right, Saturday would be a warm and a dry day with highs in the mid to upper 80s. And Sunday, and again, the ridge over the Gulf is holding tight with the westerlies north of us, and again, that would be dry. So I guess you might want to mention just a small chance of a shower, maybe Sunday afternoon, but if this is right, much of the weekend will be warm and dry. And, of course, we'll watch trends in coming days, but for now, things are looking good. In a week from today, you know, warm, muggy, just a few widely scattered afternoon showers, nothing organized here. So Again, we'll kind of lean in that direction for Monday, but certainly for the next 5 days, no organized chance of any severe weather, heavy rain, or anything really significant. Go out there a few more days, May the 26th. Pretty good-looking trough there, knocking down the ridge, and if that's right, that might be our next really significant rain event, about 10 days away. And then at the end of the forecast, the end of the month, on May 31st, the eve of the hurricane season. That looks like summer, doesn't it? The ridge in place, winds aloft are light and variable. The westerlies are well to the north. That'll be just warm and dry, if that's right. So again, no sign of any organized severe weather around here for the next 15 days and possibly beyond that. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Never witnessed anything like this, and I hope we never do again.
People are coming in to help them. That's what Alabama's all about. It's almost as if a bomb went off.
My baby's alive. My husband's alive. We made it.
I'm demolished. I don't have nothing. Just chaos, really.
It's just a nightmare that I know that I cannot wake up from.
God can do with it as He will.